Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, March 18th, 2026, your daily market intelligence simplified. Markets edged higher Tuesday despite ongoing Middle East tensions, with the S&P 500 up 0.25% and Nasdaq gaining 0.51%. The tech sector saw notable rotation, away from GPU names like Nvidia into memory and storage, with Western Digital surging nearly 10% and Micron up 4%. Oil held above $100 per barrel for the fourth straight day, while the 10-year Treasury yield dipped to 4.198%. All attention now turns to today's Fed decision, where rates are expected to hold steady, but Powell's guidance will be closely watched. Let's spotlight this week's standout movers. Amazon climbed 1.7% after expanding ultra-fast delivery to hundreds of U.S. cities and projecting AWS sales could hit $600 billion by 2036, thanks to AI growth. Uber surged 4.6% on news of a partnership with Nvidia to launch fully autonomous vehicles in 28 cities by 2028, starting with LA and San Francisco next year. The travel sector rallied across the board as airlines raised revenue outlooks on resilient booking trends. Expedia jumped 4%, Booking Holdings gained 3.5%, and Airbnb rose 3%, all benefiting from strong leisure and corporate travel demand despite economic headwinds. Our chart of the day reveals a dramatic shift in market expectations. Before the Iran crisis erupted on February 27th, options markets priced just a 7% probability of zero rate cuts through 2026. Fast forward to today, and that figure has skyrocketed to 35%. Surging oil prices have completely rewritten the playbook, forcing traders to abandon their cheaper borrowing hopes. This volatility backdrop makes today's Fed decision and updated rate projections especially critical. Investors should watch how policymakers balance geopolitical risks against inflation concerns in their guidance. Looking ahead, all eyes are on the Fed's rate decision today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, followed by Chair Powell's press conference. The updated dot plot will reveal the path for rate cuts in 2026 amid rising oil prices and inflation concerns. We'll also get February's U.S. PPI data, shaping expectations for the crucial PCE inflation report due April 9th. On the earnings front, Micron reports after the bell, a critical read on memory chip demand and AI infrastructure spending. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.